did all your laundry. Oh my God, what is that smell?
It's my poop bucket.
Tastes pretty good to me.
What the hell?
I'm used to going to the bathroom in my room.
No shelling on the shell, dude.
That's disgusting. No, you use the toilet here like everyone else.
No.
God, it smells horrible. Well, can you at least empty it each time you use it?
I like to fill it up. I'm not making a million trips.
Oh my God, are you using my shirts as toilet paper?
Yeah, and I think I might need some right now. Get out now or stay and get weird. Your call, Ward.